Hi guys, welcome back to the EaseUS channel. Today, we will discuss how to repair corrupt Excel files. Excel file corruption can be frustrating and often occurs for a variety of reasons, such as power outages or system crashes, virus or malware attacks. We'll discuss 3 effective ways to repair corrupted Excel files. The first solution you can apply is to use professional Excel repair software, EaseUS Fixo Document Repair, a reliable method that has proven to be successful. Visit the official website and click the download button to get the trial version for free. Whether your Excel file got corrupted due to a system crash, abrupt closure, or any other reason, the EaseUS Excel Repair tool provides a reliable solution. It is an advanced tool capable of fixing highly damaged XLS and XLSX files, recovering all content from the Excel workbook while preserving its original format. After downloading and installing the software, launch and choose File Repair and Add Files to select the corrupted Excel files. To repair multiple files at once, click the Repair All button. If you want to repair a single Excel file, move your pointer to the target Excel file and choose Repair. You can also preview the documents by clicking the eye icon. Click Save All to save all the repaired Excel files. Choose View Repaired to locate the repaired folder. Now you can move on to the second method. Repair damaged Excel worksheets with Open and Repair. Microsoft Excel won't open. Don't worry, you can repair Excel files with the Open and Repair option. Click the Microsoft Excel icon from the menu bar to wake up the software. Then choose Open and locate and click the Browse button. Select the damaged Excel file that cannot open in Microsoft Excel and choose Open and Repair. A notice window will pop up. Just choose Repair. Then, you just save the repaired Excel file. Now, if the problem is still not solved, check this final solution. You can change the Excel file extension to solve the problem. Modifying the Excel file format to XLSX or XLS for older versions can resolve this matter. You should choose the damaged Excel file and click the Rename button to change the file extension. It's a pretty simple method to solve Excel file corruption issue. However, if you're struggling with a corrupted Excel sheet, this video outlines several approaches to recover your files. If these methods prove ineffective, you can depend on EaseUS Fixo Document Repair software to repair corrupted files. Subscribe to the EaseUS channel to get more content videos in the future.